Mastering Upwork and Fiverr is crucial for digital marketing freelancers. These platforms offer vast opportunities to showcase skills, secure projects, and build a global client base. Success hinges on creating a standout profile, understanding client needs, and delivering exceptional results. Effective communication and strategic bidding are key to thriving in this competitive landscape. Digital marketing's $500 billion plus industry is rapidly expanding, driving high demand for remote freelancers. Enjoy ultimate flexibility with control over your schedule, diverse projects, and potential earnings from $20,000 to $100,000 plus annually. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect marketers to millions globally, eliminating geographical barriers and fostering worldwide connections. Freelance digital marketers craft and manage campaigns across diverse channels, optimizing search engine optimization, pay-per-click, and social media. They develop email strategies and create engaging content. Success is measured by key performance indicators like return on investment, click-through rate, and conversion rates. Top freelancers tailor strategies to client goals, ensuring effective solutions across digital platforms. The Digital Marketing Campaign Dashboard reveals a 3.2% average click-through rate, indicating effective audience engagement. With a monthly advertising budget of $2,400, the campaign achieved 287 conversions, showcasing strategic targeting. Impressively, the return on investment stands at 425%, highlighting the campaign's success in generating substantial value from the allocated budget. Upwork is a proposal-based marketplace, connecting freelancers with clients for custom solutions. It offers hourly and fixed-price contracts, advanced time tracking, and artificial intelligence tools like Uma for proposal writing. Fiverr, on the other hand, is gig-based, allowing freelancers to create fixed-price service packages. It features artificial intelligence assistant Neo for recommendations and Fiverr Pro for premium talent. Clients post jobs detailing requirements, budget, and skills needed. Freelancers submit tailored proposals with portfolios and rates. Clients review, interview, and select freelancers. Contracts are set with milestone payments, and work begins using time tracking and communication tools. Freelancers incur 5 to 15% service fees. Clients pay initiation fees from 99 cents to $14.99. Crafting a compelling Upwork proposal involves addressing the client's needs, showcasing relevant experience, and providing quantifiable success metrics. Start with a personalized greeting, highlight your credentials, and include portfolio examples. Clearly outline pricing and propose a timeline. Conclude with a call to action, inviting further discussion to demonstrate your proactive approach. Fiverr enables freelancers to create service packages with clear deliverables and pricing tiers. Clients browse categories or use artificial intelligence to find services, purchasing instantly without proposals. Projects start automatically upon payment. Freelancers deliver work within the timeline, and buyers review it. Fiverr charges a 20% commission, covering platform access and support. A Fiverr gig page starts with a compelling title, like, "I will boost your Instagram engagement by 40% in 30 days. It offers package tiers, basic at $50, standard at $150, and premium at $300, each with more deliverables and faster turnaround. A portfolio showcases past campaigns, metrics, client testimonials, and success stories. For digital marketers, Upwork suits long-term projects, ongoing retainers, and complex proposals with higher budgets. It offers 90-plus service categories. Fiverr excels in quick deliverables, fixed pricing, and instant hiring for smaller projects, with 750-plus services. Choose based on project scope, budget, and urgency. Upwork freelancers generally earn more per project, with higher average values, while Fiverr excels in project volume due to its quick purchase model. Both platforms offer significant earning potential, contingent on your service offerings and client targeting strategy. Understanding these dynamics can help digital marketers optimize their freelance efforts effectively. Define your specialty by focusing on 1 to 2 core areas, like search engine optimization or pay-per-click management, to build expertise. Showcase 3 to 5 case studies with metrics and testimonials in your portfolio. Earn certifications such as Google Ads or HubSpot to validate your skills. Craft a compelling profile highlighting results, solutions, and industries you excel in. Craft a compelling freelancer profile by introducing yourself as a certified expert with proven results. Highlight core services like search engine optimization audits and strategic keyword research. Emphasize your value proposition with data-driven solutions. Showcase social proof with client satisfaction rates and ratings. Regularly update your profile with new certifications and projects to stay relevant. Clarify project scope, deliverables, and deadlines upfront to ensure clear communication. Utilize platform tools for legal and financial protection. Regularly update clients to build trust. Avoid underpricing. Value your expertise. Set realistic expectations and focus on effort, not guaranteed outcomes. Actively seek client reviews to enhance your reputation and future opportunities. Sign up on Upwork and Fiverr for free. Create a compelling profile, upload portfolio samples, and explore opportunities. Enhance your skills with free courses from Google, HubSpot, or Meta. Start with small projects to build your reputation, then increase your rates as your portfolio expands. The digital marketing freelance world is vast. Seize your opportunity.